Hey, how you doing? Now is the time to start that online business you've always wanted to start. You didn't know you could make money online. While businesses are closing, online businesses are thriving. In 2010, I lost my job. I didn't know you could make money online. Never thought about it until then. I began watching YouTube videos. I took some online courses. I learned about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, selling online courses. I learned how to build sales funnels and landing pages and email marketing and auto-responding sequences. Everybody that makes money online has software, tools that they use to make money online. Everybody that makes money online needs training and support and mentorship. If you're a beginner, it's pretty scary. It was for me anyway. When I was a beginner, I was deathly afraid to make a decision on what platform and what software to spend my money on at the beginning. I finally decided on Builderall. Builderall was the most complete digital marketing platform out there at the time. Has everything on one platform. Everything you need to make money online in a digital world. Builderall has over 30 apps you can use to make money online. Okay, here we are, Builderall at jimtmullen.com. Go to jimtmullen.com, jimtmullen.com. You'll get the 14-day free trial, all the tools you'll ever need to quickly and easily grow your business online. Whatever your business is, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, selling courses, you name it, we're going to go through it all. Okay, get your 14-day free trial with Builderall. Okay, I'm not going to go crazy, but it's for beginners and gurus alike. Okay, beginners. Now, the Cheetah Builder is the newest website builder. Okay, remember to take the 14-day free trial. Now, Google score is 92 on speed. Okay, nothing is 92 on speed. You can go do a search, Google search on what the best websites are. You know, Builderall beats ClickFunnels and all the rest of them. We have the highest score with the Cheetah funnel, the new Cheetah funnel. Okay. You just don't get websites, you get sales funnels, you get all these apps, you get about 30 apps that you can use, okay, to make money. Click subscribe to my channel because I go through all the apps and how you make money with each one. Okay, you can generate leads, generate sales, create an event. You know, this is all the sales funnels that you can have: squeeze funnel, reverse funnel, lead magnet, bridge funnel, funnel application, video sales funnel, sales letter, members. I'm not gonna blah, 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 all the day long reading them, but they're there. There's 100 of them. Okay, funnel flow. Okay, A/B split tests. You name it. Checkout pages. Email. They have its own email software. Email follow-up autoresponder. Okay, software. Okay, they have it with one platform on the same thing for one low price. Okay. Can keep going down. Here is the simple dashboard. This is the canvas. They show your whole sales funnel, your emails, your email sequences, your sales pages, your upsells, your downsells, your follow-ups. Everything is on one page so you can follow and see it. No one else has that. Okay, that Builderall has it, and much more, as you see, for 14-day free trial. Okay, now go to this page. You can get it for free. Okay. You can get it for free. You get 0 domains. You get 100 subscribers in your email. Okay, you get basically one website. If you're doing it for a business, you can get it for free, and then you can get it for 19. There's different levels. Okay, and get it. Okay, Builderall is if you're a beginner, Builderall is what you need to get. It has everything. I mean, jimtmullen.com. Go search it. Take the 14-day free trial. Leave a comment down below. I will help you. I'll show you where the training is. If you have any questions, I'll lead you through the way. Watch my other videos on how to make money with the apps on Builderall. You're not going to be disappointed, okay? Take the 14-day free trial. What do you got to lose? Now I use my YouTube channel to help other people make money online. So like and subscribe to the channel right there in the bottom right, bottom left. Subscribe to the channel. So click the link in the description. Take the 14-day free trial with Builderall. Get started on all the apps and all the training that's there for free. They're going to make you an expert for free. All you got to do is take the training and take the free trial. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section down below that you took the free trial. When the free trial is done, then I'll take over and help mentor you through the rest of it. Okay, so let's go.